Taking care of your gear is essential for both safety and comfort. Today, I'll show you how to keep your equipment clean and fresh using Motul's MC Care products. It's the best way to maintain and protect your helmet, visor, and leather surfaces. Before we get started, here's a quick list of the tools and products you'll need for this tutorial. You've got Motul's Helmet and Visor Clean, Helmet Interior Clean, Perfect Leather, and a microfiber cloth. Let's start with the helmet and the visor. A clear view is crucial for safe riding. So spray the Motul's Helmet and Visor Clean 20 centimeters away from the helmet and the visor, but avoiding the pin lock. Use hot water instead to avoid damage. Now, if possible, remove the visor for easier cleaning. Once the product has settled in, it's time to wipe it down. Now leave it on for a few seconds or even up to a minute, then wipe a soft, dry cloth for a perfect streak-free finish. Now that the exterior is clean, it's time to freshen up the inside. So spray Motul's Helmet and Clean from about 20 centimeters away inside the helmet. Now here's a tip. You can also use it for your boots and gloves as it has antibacterial properties to remove odors from sweat. After applying, let the product do its job. Just make sure you wait at least 15 minutes before putting it back on your head. It's worth the wait for that fresh and clean feeling. Next, let's move on to the leather surfaces like your gloves and jacket. Give the bottle a good shake and apply Motul Perfect Leather with a clean cloth. Now spread it evenly to keep your leather looking and feeling its best. Now I'm just going to apply a small amount to my cloth, and you're just going to take your jacket and you're just going to massage it in slow circular movements like that. Once the product has settled in, it's time to buff for that perfect finish. Let it work for a few minutes, then buff with circular motions to bring out the shine. With everything clean and polished, here's why it's important to keep up with this routine. Regular maintenance isn't just about looks, it's about keeping your gear performing at its best. Follow these steps and your equipment will always be clean, fresh, and ready for your next adventure. Thanks for checking in, and au revoir.